Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make my very simple but delicious beef sauce. So come along and let's get right into the video. So for this beef sauce, you will need some beef, of course, and steak is perfect for this, but if you can't find it, any fast cooking cut will do. My beef is perfectly cleaned and cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and a heaped teaspoon of some ginger and garlic blend. I'm also going to add some black pepper powder and some cayenne powder. Chili powder or paprika powder will work also. I go ahead and add a teaspoon of some oyster sauce and then mix everything together until the beef is well coated with all the spices. Now go ahead and set it aside for later. You can marinate overnight if you have the time. In this beef sauce, I'll be adding some vegetables, and I have here my carrots, which I have thinly sliced, some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and one red onion. It's best to cut all your vegetables about the same size so they cook evenly. Now set your vegetables aside for later and let's prep our cornstarch slurry. In a bowl, go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger blend, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then go ahead and add some water and mix everything together until there are no more lumps in your cornstarch and set it aside for later. So when it comes to sauces like this, it is fast cooking on high heat, so you want everything prepped before you start. In my wok, I added a little bit of oil and I'm going to go ahead and fry my marinated beef until my beef is perfectly cooked. Now try not to overcrowd your pan because you want a good sear on your beef. We want to give it space to caramelize beautifully. So this is the caramelization I'm talking about, and this means that I may have to cook my beef in multiple batches to get all my beef browned perfectly like this. So if you are using the right cut of beef, this should be done between 4 to 6 minutes, alright? Now transfer your first batch of cooked beef onto a plate and set it aside, and continue cooking the rest of your marinated beef until everything is cooked. Just restrain yourself from eating all your beef until the rest of the batches are done, okay? So after frying my beef, I cleaned my wok and added a touch of oil. When my wok is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add all of my vegetables. Now season your vegetables with some salt and black pepper or any seasoning of your choice. You are going to stir fry this on high heat for about a minute. So after that 1 minute, you are going to go ahead and add your cooked beef back to your pot, and make sure to add all of your resting juices because that's extra flavor right there. Then go ahead and add your cornstarch slurry. After adding your cornstarch slurry, you are going to add water gradually until you reach the consistency of sauce you are going for. I don't want my beef to be swimming in the sauce. I just want a light glazing of the cornstarch slurry around my beef. So I kept on adding water gradually until this consistency was achieved. Now allow your beef and the vegetables and your cornstarch slurry to cook together for about a minute or 2, and our delicious beef sauce is ready. You can go ahead and garnish this beef sauce with some scallions, but I like to add a touch of red onion for extra crunch. Rice is the obvious choice here, but this works perfect with noodles as well. This beef sauce is so easy to make and yet absolutely delicious. I hope you give this a try. Kindly give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment down below what you normally pair your beef sauce with. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So make this beef sauce with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.